In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Service Management for customer support teams. If you want a cleaner way to receive customer requests, organize tickets, and help your support team work more efficiently, Jira Service Management is a great tool to set up. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a service project, customize the customer portal, organize incoming requests, and build simple automations to save time. To get started, open Jira and go to Projects or Spaces if you're using a newer interface. Click Create Project, then choose Jira Service Management. From there, select the template that best matches your support workflow. Common options include Customer Service, IT Service Management, or General Service Management. After that, enter a project name and click Create. This gives you the foundation for your support operation. Once the project is ready, the next step is setting up the customer portal. Open your service project, go to Project Settings and select Portal Settings. Here you can customize the portal name, welcome message, help text, and your logo or branding. When you're done, save your changes. This portal is important because it gives customers one simple place to submit requests and track progress without needing direct access to the internal project. Next, create customer request types. In Project Settings, select Request Types, then click Create Request Type. Add categories that reflect the kinds of issues your team handles, such as product support, account issues, billing questions, or technical problems. For each request type, add the fields customers need to complete so your team receives the right information from the start. Then save the request type. Well-designed request types reduce back and forth and help agents respond faster. After that, organize requests with queues. Open your service project and select queues. Create separate queues for different support needs, such as new customer requests, urgent issues, waiting for customer response, high-priority tickets, and resolved requests. Queues make it easier for agents to focus on the right work at the right time and keep the team's workload visible. When tickets start coming in, you'll need to assign them to support agents. Open a customer request, select the assignee field, and choose the responsible agent. You can also add comments or internal notes if needed, then update the ticket status. This keeps collaboration organized while separating internal communication from customer-facing updates. To save time, set up automation rules. In Project Settings, select Automation and click Create Rule. Add a trigger, a condition, and an action. For example, you can automatically assign billing requests to the finance team, send reminders for overdue tickets, or close inactive requests after a certain period. Finally, manage your SLAs by opening Project Settings and selecting SLAs. Create goals for first response time, resolution time, and priority-based support, then save the settings. This helps your team stay accountable and deliver a more consistent customer support experience.